If SheShakti were a ship, what would you name it?
I would love to name it Shilpi.
Okay, what's tougher, navigating through high seas or navigating everyday life as a strong woman?
Navigating itself is difficult because I have done a sea tenure now. But to navigate as a working woman, especially with a 7-year-old as a working mother, and be in the demands of the service is what is a daily task for me.
All right, if you could dedicate one naval maneuver to all the powerful women, what would it be?
I would say push it hard and tough.
Okay, what's your SheShakti survival tip for staying strong in the face of any storm?
Just keep doing what you're best at and forget the rest.
All right, give us one power pose, SheShakti power pose.